Hello friends, I'm Meghna Thomas and welcome back to our channel Golden Epaulettes Aviation Pilot Training Academy, your route to the cockpit. In my video today, I'm going to be talking to you about what makes you a great aviator. So let's talk about the skills that you need to have to become a great aviator. They include soft skills and hard skills. Talking about the soft skills consist of work ethic, people, social and attitude related skills. For their success, a pilot should have a variety of soft skills. The first one being the communication and teamwork skills. As we all know that communication is a crucial element of every pilot's job. For the safety of everyone, the pilot needs to be in constant contact with the ATC, that is the air traffic controller, and those aboard the aircraft. Along with the ability to communicate, you must also be a team player, as these two things go hand in hand. During training, the students must be properly communicating with their instructors, just as the first officers must do with their captains. The next is stress management and decisiveness. Included on your list of pilot skills should be stress management. In case an emergency situation arises, it is imperative that you stay calm and collected, not just for your sake but for the sake of your crew and passengers. When people are stressed, it is natural to make irrational decisions. So being able to confidently act under pressure is an important component of your role. The third one is strong focus and multitasking. Airline pilots must be able to focus, as flying an airplane requires to be able to do multiple tasks at the same time. When it comes to flying, all details matter and all require your full attention. In addition to navigating your aircraft, you will also be communicating with the ATC, with the operations team and with your cabin crew. So there's a lot going at once. For this reason, you must be able to multitask. Now let's come on to the hard pilot skills. Hard pilot skills are measurable and are taught. It includes the ability to understand the aircraft and its avionics. Before takeoff, the pilot is responsible for examining the aircraft's condition. Now, pilots utilize multiple checklists before, during and after takeoff to ensure that the plane is in proper shape. They also look at the fuel levels, keep an eye on the engine performance, use the radio systems, look at the flight plan and navigate the airplane. All these skills are quite technical and require a great deal of knowledge, and each one is critical for a safe flight. The next important hard skill is understanding math and physics. You will need to have a general understanding of maths and physics as a pilot. Areas such as principles of flights, mass and balance, navigation require some formulas and calculations. During your training, you will learn about all of these in detail. All your flight instructors are going to be there to help you all the way through. You can take the classes required and prepare yourself for all these things. So all this is going to be sorted. Now the third important hard skill is the situational awareness. Being constantly aware of your surroundings comes right along with the airline pilot career. Pilot skills such as watching for changes in the weather and other airplanes, looking at the aircraft configuration, system and altitude, and knowing what procedures to utilize in all situations is crucial. Do you know what to do if a threatening weather appears? Are you prepared for a spin or stall recovery situation? Whatever the situation may be, make sure you are mindful. So these are the skills that are going to make you a great aviator. I hope you will have these, and I hope that you all will make great aviators. Keep following our channel for more such informative videos and updates. What are you waiting for? Come, let's fly!